Wala, bro. Oh my God!
So, ang mani.
Ay mo kabalaka, girls. Lahat ay Smart Portable All-in-One. Losun. Basing ganahan mo pa music, girls.
Sige!
Go!
Using the Losun Portable All-in-One Energy Storage System, ang imong masaligan nga power companion para sa tanang sitwasyon. Compact, efficient, and packed with power, the Losun ESS is designed to keep your devices running when you need them most. Losun Portable All-in-One offers exceptional energy output with options ranging from 600 watts to 5,000 watts, nga masaligan para sa daghang klase sa devices. AC-DC outputs, naidaghang ports, apilang AC outlets o DC outputs nga makakonect sa mga devices sama sa laptops, electric fans o gagmay nga appliances. Solar input. A built-in solar input enables eco-friendly recharging using solar panels, perfect for off-grid scenarios. Compact and portable. It's the perfect energy solution for home use, work needs, or outdoor adventures. Bisa nasa ka pa magtrabaho, ang Losun Portable All-in-One maghatag og power sa imong laptop aron magpabilin kang produktibo nga walay interruption. Enjoy sa imong paboritong tunog bisan asa ka. Ang Losun Portable All-in-One maghatag og power sa imong portable speaker nga walay hassle. Stay cool and comfortable with the Losun Portable All-in-One, energizing your electric fan for hours of refreshing breeze. And when your phone's battery is low, the Losun Portable All-in-One has you covered, providing reliable charging on the go.
From laptops to mobile charge, ang Losun Portable All-in-One ESS mao ang ultimate solution para magpabilin nga powered imong mga devices bisan asa, bisan kanusa.
Experience convenience and reliability with Losun your portable power solution. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and updates on Losun products. Thank you for watching.